Top 5 Best iPhone Charger Cable. The best phone accessories, handpicked for you. Number 5. Anker Premium 6 feet MFi Lightning Cable for iPhone and iPad. Your iPhone deserves a cable that won't quit, and this Anker 6-foot premium double-braided nylon lightning cable delivers. Built for power users, travelers, and anyone tired of flimsy cords, it's Apple MFi certified, so it plays nice with every iPhone from the 5s to the X, plus iPads and minis. Unlike cheap knockoffs that fray in weeks, this rugged, double-braided design laughs at daily wear. The extra length gives you freedom to charge while scrolling on the couch or desk, no more awkward crouching near outlets. Anker's advanced engineering ensures fast, stable charging and data sync every single time. It's not just durable, it's dependable. While it excels with Apple devices, note that non-Lightning gadgets won't benefit. But for iPhone loyalists, this black beauty is a game-changer, sleek, strong, and built to last through years of drops, bends, and bedtime charging marathons. Number 4. Apple MFi-Certified Lightning Cable 6-pack. Your iPhone deserves a cable that keeps up, without fraying, failing, or forcing you to choose between length and durability. This Apple MFi-Certified 6-pack delivers exactly that. Perfect for busy professionals, travelers, or families juggling multiple devices, these nylon-braided lightning cables combine rugged reliability with sleek design. Unlike flimsy alternatives that snap after weeks, each cable, 3, 6, and 10 feet, boasts reinforced stress points and tangle-free flexibility. Fast charging? Check. Seamless syncing across iPhone 14 Pro down to SE and iPads? Absolutely. The variety of lengths means your desk, nightstand, car, and travel bag are always covered. You'll feel the difference the moment you plug in, smooth, secure, and built to last. While no cable survives extreme bending forever, these are engineered for real-world resilience. Ditch the frustration. Upgrade to a charging solution that matches your lifestyle, efficient, elegant, and engineered for everyday excellence. Number 3. Apple MFi Certified 10-foot nylon lightning cable 3-pack for iPhone. Your phone dies mid-presentation. Not anymore. This 3-pack of 10-foot MFi Certified lightning cables delivers relentless power, fast, reliable, and built to last. Perfect for busy professionals, parents juggling devices, or anyone tired of flimsy cords that fray in weeks. Unlike cheap knockoffs, these nylon-braided cables pass Apple's strict certification, ensuring peak performance with iPhones 6 through 13, iPads, and SE models. The reinforced connectors survive 20,000 plus bends, double the industry standard. At 10 feet, you charge from bed, couch, or car without tethering yourself to the outlet. 3 cables mean one for home, one for work, one for the go, no more frantic searches or shared charging chaos. While they're not USB-C, so newer Android users, look elsewhere. For Apple loyalists, this trio is a game-changer. Durable, long, and lightning fast, your devices deserve this upgrade. Number 2. Apple MFi Certified iPhone Charger Cable 2-pack 6 feet. Your phone dying midday isn't just annoying, it's a productivity killer. That's why this 2-pack of 6-foot Apple MFi Certified nylon braided lightning cables is a game-changer. Perfect for busy professionals, students, or anyone who refuses to be tethered to an outlet. Unlike flimsy cords that fray in weeks, these rugged, tangle-resistant cables deliver fast, reliable charging and syncing, tested for 15,000 plus bends. The extra length means freedom, charge from your couch, bed, or car seat without hunching over. Apple certified means zero compatibility warnings and maximum safety. 2 cables. Keep one at home, stash the other at work, peace of mind included. While they're built for durability, avoid extreme bending near connectors for optimal longevity. Sleek, strong, and stress-free, this isn't just a cable upgrade, it's a lifestyle essential. Stay powered. Stay connected. Number 1. Amazon Basic 6 feet MFi Certified Nylon Braided Lightning Cable for iPhone and iPad, silver. This cable doesn't just charge your iPhone, it future-proofs your daily routine. If you're an Apple user juggling multiple devices, from iPhone 14 to older iPads, this MFi-certified, 6-foot Amazon Basics cable delivers reliable fast charging without the premium price tag. Unlike flimsy third-party cords that fray in weeks, its nylon braided design withstands bends, tugs, and travel chaos. The silver finish adds sleek durability, while the extended length gives you freedom to use your device while powering up, no more awkward couch contortions. It's engineered for real life, quick top-offs during calls, seamless syncing, and consistent performance night after night. Sure, it won't magically organize your desk or brew coffee, but for dependable, high-speed charging across your Apple ecosystem, it's a no-brainer. Ditch the frustration of slow or unreliable cables, this one just works every single time. Thanks for watching Best iPhone Charger Cable. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.